Hello friends, my name is Ashok Gupta, Department of Management, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today friends, we will discuss on Master of Business Administration in Finance. Friends, in today's world, everyone wants to get good job, good career, earn money for his or her family. If we talk about professional course, MBA is most popular course around the world, and after graduation maximum students want to do MBA. So why MBA? Because MBA fills the gap. MBA fill the gap. It helps you to achieve your dreams, achieve your destination, achieve your career goal. MBA as a course started in 1900 in Turk School of Business at Dartmouth College, followed by Harvard Graduate School of Business Administration in 1908. In India, Faculty of Management in Delhi University in 1968 it started. There are some key points which makes an MBA a popular professional course. And first is management skills. After doing MBA, you can get and learn the various management skills which helps you during your whole career. It increases your income. It gives you more and more job opportunities. In fact, after MBA you can establish your own business. MBA help in networking skills, personality development. It also gives you international exposures. That's why MBA is different from the other courses. During the MBA, every student need to choose a specialization. And today we will discuss on the specialization in finance. Because finance is a field which is core and requirement for every corporate sector. But a student feeling difficulties to choose its career in particular specialization. MBA has different specialization like finance, hospitality, marketing, human resource, operations, and so on. So let's start discuss about what are the opportunities you will get after doing MBA in finance. So friends, you can get the job in banking sector because nowadays banking sector is developing, and due to government norms various banks are coming, private international banks, and there are lots of recruitment in public sector banks also. Non-banking institutions like LIC, like Hinduja Finance, like Bajaj Finance, Tata Capital, Aditya Birla Capital, these are the other non-banking institutions. You can work as a financial management in corporate, where you have to do lots of management of fund, allocation of fund in corporate sector. So stock exchange market is also open for the MBA finance. You can work as an analyst. If you have in a security market you can work as an advisors. You can work as a financial planner after doing MBA. NGOs also recruit MBA finance for management of their fund. Merchant banking or investment banking is one of the separate department in various banks in which you have to deal with the customers for investment purpose, and this is very popular in international banks. So these are the some sectors in which you can get the job after doing the MBA. Important is choose the specialization according to your skills. If you develop your skill, students, if you are interested in particular subject, then it's enhance your skill. If you're not interested and go and you choose that subject for your career, then in future you will not satisfy with that. So it's my advice, choose any subject in finance in which you want and which is your interest area. If you are for marketing, it is either from HR, finance. Interest in subject area increase the passion and increase the learning and also increase your knowledge towards that subject. So I hope you understand, and I also hope that I try to solve the queries regarding the choice of specialization in finance. What are the various sectors in which we can get the job after doing MBA in finance? Thank you friends. Thank you for watching this video.